Shall I start the question?
एक मिनट सर.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट.
Either you can show, you can use this formula, or you can make subscription account. So in subscription account, outstanding subscription on the debit side, to outstanding subscription account, outstanding subscription in the beginning, these will be debited. Acha, subscription is an income, its balance should be credit balance. So this, if you are writing on this side, it means this amount will be deducted. Then buy advance subscription account, advance subscription in the beginning. So this is the income for current year, it must be added. So it will be shown on the credit side. Then by bank, total amount received. Then outstanding subscription at the end of the year, because again this income belongs to current year. So all the amount which belongs to current year will be shown on the credit
Excuse me,
side.
sir.
Yes, Kota bolo.
So, what is the difference between that formula and subscription account?
Either you can use that formula or you can use, let me show again. Now here, whatever you have added, these two items, these two will be shown on the credit side. Means total amount received, add subscription outstanding at the end of current year, subscription received in advance in the beginning of, all these three items will be shown in the credit side. And the red wala, it will be shown on the debit side.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So first three parts will be shown on the credit side, and these two red one will be shown on the debit side, and balance will be reflected in the debit side. Now you can see it here, to advance subscription at the end, because again this belongs to next year, it will be shown on the debit side. To outstanding subscription account in the beginning belongs to previous year, it will be shown on the debit side. Credit side, all income relates to current year. And this is your balance to income and expenditure account. This balance will be shown in the income side. So it's better to use the formula, but in the question asked, you have to prepare subscription account, yet then you have to do this. Now come to the question. These are the, this is the example I'm taking. I will start later on. Now from the following extracts of receipt and payment account, calculate income from subscription for the year 2018. So you have to find for 2018. Now receipt and payment account is given to subscription 50,000 for 2016-17, 17-18 is 3 lakh, 18-19 is 60,000. Now you can see this 50,000 belongs to previous year. This 3 lakh belongs to current year, and this 60,000 belongs to next year. Is it clear? So these both, this one and this one should be subtracted from this. So total income for, total income receipt for current year will be 3 lakh only. Okay, now come to the additional information. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2017 was 60,000. Now last year it was outstanding 60,000 and you have received 50,000. Is it clear? This one 60,000 and you have received out of this 50,000. So what will be the 10,000? Where will you show 10,000? Can anyone answer? Total outstanding. Yes. Yes.
Subtracting में होगा.
Total amount receivable was 60,000, but you have received only 50,000. So difference 10,000 will be shown in which account or balance sheet? Means this out of no. This will be your asset. Out of 60,000, you have received 50,000. 10,000 is still outstanding. So accrued income.
Show it in debit side.
Accrued income will be shown in the asset side.
No, but debit.
Yes, balance sheet doesn't have debit or credit side. Balance sheet has liability and asset side. Now next one is subscription outstanding on 31st March 2018. This one, 50,000. Where will you show this? This is the current year outstanding. Current year outstanding, where you will show current year outstanding? अभी किया था हमने question. Current year outstanding will be added to current year, 3 lakh. This will be added to 3 lakh because total income for current year is 3 lakh plus 50,000, 350. Is it clear? I will show the exam solution also, but first you must know the logic. 3 lakh was 3 lakh you have received, out of which 50,000 is still outstanding for current year. So this 50,000 will be added to 3 lakh. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And subscription received in advance 60,000.
ये भी add होगा।
2017. हाँ, ये भी add होगा because this income you have received in advance in the previous year.
Beginning of the year. होगा
Yeah,
ना?
beginning of year. So how you do this? ये देख लो. They have made subscription account. Now, by bank account you have received 4,10,000. Total amount ये था. By advance subscription, previous is 60,000. Outstanding current year is 50,000. You will show these three items. Means you will add these three items, and you will subtract outstanding subscription previous year 60,000. And advance subscription for next year 60,000. These two will be subtracted. You will get 4 lakh. Any doubt?
Nice, sir.
So balance sheet देख लो एक और. Balance sheet is for 2018. 2018 balance sheet में subscription received in advance 60,000. This is for next year. Now outstanding of previous year, it was outstanding 60,000, out of which you have received 50,000. So still outstanding for previous year 10,000. Current year 50,000, out of which you have received 10,000. You didn't receive 10,000, so you have received only 40,000. 40,000 is outstanding. अभी क्वेश्चन कर लो, ये तो एग्जांपल था. Yes. Question number 16, page number 1.63. During the year ended 31st March 2020, subscription received by the Jaipur Literary Society was rupees 4,20,000. So you are making it for 31st March 2020. So total amount received is 420. These subscription include 14,000 received for the year ended 31st March 2019. इसको क्या करेंगे? This is the income for previous year. Yes, anyone?
ऐड होगा ना.
This is the subscription for previous year. Outstanding for previous year. You go
ऐड होगा सर.
फॉर्मूला में देखो.
ऐड होगा.
फॉर्मूला
Add
में देखो
होगा।
बेटा. फॉर्मूला क्या था? फॉर्मूला लिखा था.
हाँ जी सर.
देखो उसमें लास्ट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग. This is the income relates to previous year, so it should be subtracted. दिखाऊं फॉर्मूला दोबारा? Got it?
सर एक बार फॉर्मूला दिखा दो दोबारा.
ये देखो सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईयर. ये आ गया या प्रीवियस ईयर. ये रेड वन थर्ड पॉइंट. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
subscription received in
Yes, sir.
advance at the end of the year, again these two will be subtracted. previous year outstanding and current year advance will be subtracted. So this 40,000 will be subtracted, and on 31st March 2020 subscription due but not received 10,000. इसको क्या करेंगे? You have received subscription due but not received. This is an outstanding subscription for current year.
Add.
हाँ, this will be added.
And okay.
ठीक है, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? First you will write subscription received during the year 4,20,000. Then outstanding subscription for 2020 is 10,000. ठीक है, clear? And less outstanding for 2019
426.
416.
Okay.
So this amount will be shown in income side of current year income and expenditure account. Note down अगर किसी ने करना है तो.
सर ये सारे क्वेश्चंस नोटबुक में करने हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, उसी के लिए तो करवा रहा हूँ ना बेटा. जो भी सॉल्यूशन दिखा रहा हूँ, you have to note it.
सर वो तो कर लिया, एसएस ले लिया है.
ठीक है, एंड 16 जो मैं बीच में मिस करवा रहा हूँ, जो मैं स्किप कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चंस, वो वाले तुम खुद करोगे बिकॉज वो उसी से रिलेटेड है ना.
ओके सर.
ठीक है,
थैंक यू.
ये क्लियर हो गया 16th क्वेश्चन.
हाँ जी सर.
So you must know that previous year income will be subtracted and next year income will be subtracted. These two incomes will be subtracted. Rest of them will be added. Now come to next question. Question number 17 from your book. Now in this case, subscription received during the year 2020 are, so total amount received 2019, 2020 का and 2021 का. Total amount received is 89,200. Out of which 1,600 belongs to previous year and 3,200 belongs to next year. तो अगर नीचे वाली information ना पढ़े तो how will you deal this 1,600 and 3,200? Yes. शिवांश, तुलसा, वंश. 1,600 will be subtracted
Yes, sir.
and 3,200. हाँ, ये दोनों subtract हो जाएंगे. Okay. If you ये information अगर नीचे वाले ना पढ़े. Now come to this information. There are 450 members, each paying an annual subscription of 200. इस लाइन को ध्यान से फिर पढ़ो. There are 450 members, each paying an annual subscription of 200. It means total amount to be received by the company should be 450 into 200. That is 90,000.
90,000.
So 90,000 must be shown in the income side of income and expenditure account. Is it clear? Outer column it should be 90,000 only. Income for current year is 90,000. Now, rupees 1,800 were in arrears for the year 2019. 2019 में arrears were 1,800. Out of which we received 1,600. ठीक. 1,800 you were supposed to receive, but you have received only 1,600. It means 200 are still outstanding for previous year. So those amount will be shown in the balance sheet as an asset. Current year balance sheet. Previous year balance sheet it was shown 1,800. Current year balance sheet it will be shown as 200. Sorry.
200.
200 only. And this 3,200 will be subtracted. So income and expenditure account. This total amount to be shown as income and expenditure account should be 450 into 90,000. It means this in this outer column, our figure will be 90,000 only. Is it clear?
Sir.
ये लिख लो साथ साथ. Now, by subscription, total amount received 89,000 as in given here. Outer column 89,200. I have taken 89,200. Then less advance of 2021. This 3,200 will be subtracted. Less outstanding for 2019. This 1,600 will be all subtracted. So remaining amount is 84,400. Clear है ये?
हाँ जी.
I have subtracted 1,600. I have subtracted 3,200. So how much amount to be received? In the outer column it should be 90,000. Out of 90,000 we have received 84,400. It means there are some amount which are outstanding for current year. So how will you find that amount? 90,000 minus 84,400. 5,600 are the amount outstanding for current year. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Means be careful whenever it is given. There are 450 members, each paying an annual subscription of 200. Just multiply number members into rupees. So this amount must be shown here. If you have written it 90,000 in the outer column, you will get marks for that. And these marks will be deducted if you don't show the workings. And in balance sheet, balance sheet में outstanding 2020 will be 5,600 and outstanding for 2019 will be 200 because 1,800 were in arrears, out of which 1,600 you have received, so 200 are still outstanding for 2019. Note down. Any query? Yes, बेटे 14 स्टूडेंट हैं, किसी को कोई क्वेरी नहीं है? सलोनी,
हाँ जी सर.
कोई क्वेरी, कोई क्वेश्चन? सब कुछ क्लियर है?
मेरे को अभी तक तो समझ आ रहा है.
ठीक है बेटा, इसको नोट कर लिया तुमने?
हाँ जी सर.
Good. Shall I start next question?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये देखो, this is a for 2019 you write outstanding for 2019 1,800. ठीक है? ये previous year balance sheet and this is current year balance sheet. Although the question didn't ask for this, but I have made these two balance sheets, so you can easily understand what amount will go and in which balance sheet. Is it clear? You can note down this also. And in the top, on the top, you write extract of balance sheet. You will not write balance sheet. कर लिया नोट सबने?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is question next question है. I think this is question number.
Sir, 20th है ये.
20th, हाँ. Because 89th is a similar, you can do it. Now come to question number 20. There are 4 cases. First one is, question is from the following particulars, calculate amount of subscription to be credited to income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So subscription in arrears on 31st March 2019, 500. Where will you show this? कहाँ जाएगा ये? Yes.
Subtract होगा.
हाँ, very good. So last year will be subtracted. Then subscription received in advance on 31st March 2019 for the year ended this 1100. It will be added or subtracted? क्यों?
Subtract होगा.
No.
Add. Sir, add होगा.
हाँ, last year you have received for current year,
Add होगा.
so it will be added. Now total subscription received. First look at this. Subscription outstanding for the year 31st March 2020 400. इसका क्या होगा 400 का? huh? Add, because this income relates
Add.
to current year. Is it clear? Now come to this point, C point. Total subscription received during the year 2020 was 35,400, out of which details are given, including 400 for the year ended 31st March 2019. Outstanding kitni thi previous year? It was 500, and you have
500.
received 400. It means 100 is still outstanding. So you will show this 100 rupees in the current year balance sheet. Previous year balance sheet में क्या जाएगा?
सर
2019
प्रीवियस
की
ईयर में
balance sheet में
500 होगा.
500. Very good. Now 1200 for the year ended 31st March 2021. This relates to next year. Where we show this amount, this will be subtracted or added? 1200 will be subtracted, and what about 300? This will also be subtracted because you have received for 2021 and 2022. And we are making income and expenditure account for the year. It should be 2020. It's wrong.
2020
wrong.
होना चाहिए था।
2020. It should be 2020. Okay, now by subscription total amount received was 35,400. Then less advance for 2020. This is for 2020. 1200. Sorry, this should be 2021. Let me correct it. क्लियर हो गया क्वेश्चन? मैं करेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हें दिख भी रहा होगा. So less advance for 2021 1200 and less advance for 2022 300, because these two are advances for next year, and less outstanding for 2019. Previous year outstanding will be subtracted. So total amount is 33,500, and you will add outstanding for 2020, which is given 400 here. So this will be added. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing is given. B part, subscription received in advance on 31st 2019 for the year 2020 was 1100. So this will be added. So total amount should be shown as 35,000 in the income and expenditure account. You may note down, or any query you can ask.
सर एक बार वापस से सी पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए प्लीज।
So C point is total subscription received are 35,400, out of which 400 relates to previous year 2019 का हो गया, and 1200 for 2021 means this relates to next year, and 300 उससे भी next year 2022. So 1200 and 300 both are the advances for next year.
नेक्स्ट ईयर।
So these two will be subtracted. I have subtracted 1200 and 300.
300
ठीक है? And 400, why I have subtracted? Because 400 was the outstanding for previous year, which you have received in current year. So 400 I have all subtracted. So these three amount will be subtracted, and D part is given 400 current year outstanding. It will be added.
added. Okay sir.
And
Thank you.
1100 you have received in last year. It will be added.
ये
added.
So 35,000 will be shown as income expenditure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now next is question number 21. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 देखो तुम्हारी बुक में ईयर्स दूसरे होंगे बट यू कैन सी कि 2019 एंड बैलेंस शीट एज 2018 एंड 19 सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 31st मार्च 2019 तुम्हारी बुक में 2020 होगा नो प्रॉब्लम यहाँ देख लो तुम सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 31st मार्च 2019 3,58,500 and 2018 it is 30,000 received in advance. Acha, how do you deal this? Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2018. You will add 30,000 or subtract?
Add.
You are making for 2019.
Add.
Beta, you are making for 2019.
Subtract.
and-
Subtract. Subtract.
This is the
Subtract.
outstanding subscription for previous year. It must be subtracted. 30,000 subtract hoga. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2018. Last year
सर
you
ये
have
तो ऐड होना चाहिए.
add hoga. It will be added. 22,500 will be added. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2019.
Add.
2019.
Add.
No.
सर सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा.
This belongs to next year. Yes, subtract hoga.
Subtract. Subtract.
Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2019 37,500. So current year outstanding was 37,500, but it includes 12,500 for the year ended 2018. Means out of this 37,500, 12,500 belongs to previous year. So what amount should be added? 37,500 minus 12,500. So पहले देखो buy subscription 358,500. Then less outstanding for previous year 17,500. कहाँ से लिया ये? कोई बता सकता है? Less advance for 2020 13,500. Add outstanding for 2019 25,000. Add advance received in 2018 22,500. देखो outstanding I have taken 25,000 means 37,500 minus 12,500. So I have taken 25,000. अच्छा 17,500 कहाँ से आया? देखो सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑन 31st March 2018 वर 30,000. Out of 30,000 you have already taken 12,500 into this account. So remaining are 12,000 17,500. ये 17,500 उससे आया. इसको नोट कर लो. Any doubt? मान्या समझ आ रहा है? मान्या है ना? मान्या शर्मा. Yes, मान्या. वंश.
So,
हाँ बोलो.
so एक बार 25,000 वाला अमाउंट कैसे आया बता दो.
This one 2019 वाला या 20?
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो लास्ट टाइम पढ़ो. सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑन 31st March 2019 वर 37,500. Means total outstanding was 37,500, but out of which 12,500 belongs to previous year. So I have subtracted 37,500 minus 12,500. So this is 25,000.
Okay, sir. Okay.
यही पॉइंट था इसमें. So you can write in the brackets here so that next time तो confusion no. You can write it here 37,500 minus 12,500.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Time है अभी ना? हाँ. Okay, now next question. This is I think 22. नहीं 21. 21 नहीं है. हाँ, this is 22 question. Question number 22. From the following information, calculate the subscription outstanding for the year ended 31st March 2019. A club has 200 members, each paying an annual subscription of 1,000. So what amount should be shown in the outer column of income and expenditure account? Yes, 2 lakh. 200 into 1,000, 2 lakh will be shown in the outer column. Okay. Now receipt and payment account for the year showed a sum of 2,05,000 received as subscription. So receipt and payment is saying received amount is 2,05,000. Now following additional information is provided: outstanding on 31st March 2018, received in advance on 31st March 2019, and subscription received in advance of 31st March 2018. So आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑन 31st मार्च 2018 को क्या करेंगे हम? माइनस और प्लस?
माइनस.
हाँ, लास्ट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग माइनस. नाउ रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस ऑन 31st March 2019 means this relates to next year.
सर माइनस हो.
माइनस 40,000 माइनस. तुम लिख लो पेंसिल से उस पे ताकि तुम्हें क्लैरिटी आ जाए. देन सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस ऑन 31st March 2018.
प्लस
ये प्लस होगा. तो 2,05,000, हाँ 2,05,000 में ये सब प्लस माइनस करो, जो भी बैलेंस आएगा, वॉट एवर इज अ बैलेंस, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट बैलेंस फ्रॉम 2 lakh and that will be the outstanding amount for current year. So by subscription 2,05,000 you have received. Then less advance for 2020 40,000. ये मैंने चेंज कर दिया था इसमें. 2020 में नेक्स्ट ईयर 40 हो गया. Total amount 200 into 2,000. 2 lakh should be written on in the outer column. Yes, ये देख लो. I have written here 2020 means ये वाला है subscription received in advance on 31st March 2019 means this is advance for next year 2020 का था. तो you get 1,49,000. तो 2 lakh minus 149 you'll get 51,000 outstanding for current year. बेटा नेक्स्ट क्लास का बता दो फिर कब रखनी है.
सर 8:30 का टाइम सही था, ज्यादा बंदों ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया था उस टाइम.
8:30 का
सर जो कल करी थी सर हमने.
हाँ हाँ
जरूर कम से कम 30-40 बच्चे थे, अभी तो सिर्फ 12 ही हैं.
अच्छा थक गए मॉर्निंग में पढ़ के.
सर सुबह की क्लास में कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता. पूजा मैम का सर इतना क्लियरली समझ नहीं आता. वो सर हमें नोटबुक से हमें लिंक ही नहीं भेजा था सर. लिंक ही हमें लेट मिले 2 क्लासेस के.
अच्छा चलो बेटा अकाउंट मैं वो बात कर लूंगा क्यों नहीं तुम्हारे पास लिंक आ रहे, क्योंकि मैंने नेम दिया वंश का और डेरिका का 12C से, और 12th ई में लवन्या का दिया हुआ.